everybody, it's Michelle, and I have received my design team packet from European Papercrafts, and I wanted to share these beautiful products with you guys. So if you want to go on over to the website, it's 3dcardmaking.com, and you'll be able to get all of these and much, much more. They have such beautiful products. And I can't wait to show you guys the beautiful things that are in here. And maybe you guys can help me come up with ideas on how to use these. They are absolutely gorgeous. The first thing in this packet that caught my eye was the Crystal Nouveau Drops. I have seen these, but I have never used them, and I cannot wait to give that a try. And we've got some double-sided tape, and that's by Doilies, also a very good brand. I love Doilies. And I have been experimenting with different types of adhesives, as you guys know, and I haven't yet used the double-sided tape, so I'm anxious for that as well. And we've got more of those easy 3D card toppers. And I love these 3D toppers. You guys may have seen a recent video that I did using these, and I just love the way these work. They are all of one image with different sections that you can pop up dimension in between the layers and really give a 3D effect to your card, and I love these. And this is a cute little ladybug for springtime. Isn't that cute? And then you just put some foam adhesive on that to give a little bit of dimension, and then a third layer also on foam. I just love the way these work. And we've got some candles with flowers around, and I think that beautiful pink color would be lovely for Mother's Day. And here we've got some Easter ones with the little bunny family and a little Easter chick down here. I think that is so cute. More little baby chicks for Easter. And I love the little detail on there. If y'all can see the gold metallic detail on there, I love those. And I love that one. But you guys know I love butterflies. I've got to take this one out and look at that. So our base layer has the butterfly on the flowers. And then pop up the butterfly and part of the flowers. And then the butterfly with just two flowers. I love that. I think that is my favorite one. That may be the first video that you guys see from this packet. I really love that. And that pink butterfly would match really good with my Nouveau Drops. Let me open that packet up so we can see that color a little better. I've been so anxious to try these Nouveau Drops. And this has the glitter in it. That is definitely going with my butterflies there. I'm going to put those aside. I want to use those together in probably a Mother's Day card. And there's another beautiful springtime bird on a branch with flowers on that. I love that. And here are some Forget-Me-Not buttons by Dovecraft. Those are really cute. Those pinks and blues remind me of maybe a baby shower. And I've been wanting to do some baby shower type of crafts anyway. These will be perfect on maybe an invitation to a baby shower. That would be really good. And here are some little rhinestone flowers in sort of a soft green color. Beautiful for springtime. And these are made by, looks like Kaiser scrapbook. Beautiful. And here we've got some glitter sticker sentiments. And I will have the links to all of these products in the description to this video. So if there's any one that you see that you want to go over and check out, I'll have the link below. And you can get all of these and so much more on their website. Look at that. You can see when I turn it that it's kind of holographic and it reflects the whole spectrum of colors there. I love that. In a purple color, and that's sentiments that say happy birthday. And you guys know that I don't have many sentiment stamps built up yet, so these stickers will come in really handy. And here is a full sheet that says with love and best wishes in a beautiful shiny silver. I think that would be good for maybe a wedding card or a wedding invitation. And here is more holographic stickers. And these are sort of like border stickers, and it looks like they're in sort of a little bit of a wavy design. I love those holographics. Just beautiful. And here is a beautiful window card that's open there. I just love openness and dimension with cards with a little window section or something cut out. I think that just really adds a lot to the card. And this is a beautiful little springtime window with tulips growing. I think that is beautiful. And we could put something inside. It sort of looks like an Easter scene or something going on in there. That would be really cute. And then looks like we've got some soft pastel card bases. And I hope you guys can see on camera. They sort of have a shimmer to them. I think that's catching it right there. That looks so pretty. We've got a soft, creamy sort of yellow color. And a soft purple with that shimmer to it as well. A green. And these colors are so soft. I just love them. And I love that shimmer. Beautiful. And there is a doily design on there. That would be so pretty. You could just put some sort of a die cut or something popped up in the middle of that. That would be really, really cute for Easter. And there's another one in blue. That's really pretty. And we've got another 6x6 paper pack. This looks beautiful. That is Annabelle's Meadow paper pack by Wild Rose Studio. And I've got to look through these. I love patterned papers. There's a pretty background pattern with little flower pots and bunnies in there. There's a little bunny hiding behind the pot. Those are so cute. That looks like little butterflies in pink. And there are some pink springtime flowers. And a soft blue background pattern. More pink flowers. I hope this is focusing for you guys so you can see. These are so beautiful. And there's a soft striped pattern that sort of has all of the springtime colors in one. I like that. And there's a pink and green. Blue with some little birdies on there. Beautiful for spring. the green background pattern. Oh, and I know what I want to use this one with. You guys, I'm seeing my Mother's Day card coming together. That is going to be so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be using that on my Mother's Day card. And there is a white background with some pink flower bouquets. So pretty. And here we've got a sheet. It's called Lac 3D Motif. Some beautiful images on there. And it looks like they're going to work the way that the 3D die cuts do. I can see it matching up here with the different portions. Numbered 1, number 2, and number 3 for the 3 layers. That's going to be so pretty. I like that little gopher. He's cute. And then frog prints on the lily pad. Some lambs. And the little gopher again. I think that is so cute and fun. And here is another Forget-Me-Not pack by Craft. And these are glittery stickers. And they are so beautiful. I love this sort of spring gardening theme that goes along with this. I had some other sort of gardening themed things that I wanted to do, and these will come in really handy for that. More spring gardening. Looks like another 3D layering with a full image here of the birdies. Partial image here for layer 2 and a smaller portion here for layer 3. And you've got even more down here. You can add more than just the 3 layers with these. I think that is really neat. So many beautiful things you could do with these products. And last, oh, I really love these. I want to take these out of the pack to show you guys. Okay, so if you can see when I turn these over, these just kind of pop right out. They're already cut. And it's more 3D layering. And this is called the Foiled Decoupage by Craft Anitas. I think that is so pretty. We've got a little Easter bunny here and some Easter chicks. And a second layer here for that. And then layers of just the individual flowers and the bunny there that's driving the cart. More layers to this one than just the 3. I think this is going to be really fun to work with. So there are so many beautiful products that are so inspiring in this packet. I can't wait to get started on that. I'm seeing Easter cards and Mother's Day cards and so many wonderful idea inspirations in this packet. I cannot wait. I think I'm most excited about that Mother's Day card that I want to do. I really, really love that butterfly set and these sparkly Crystal Nouveau drops and that pink pattern paper that we found, maybe on a black card base to bring out the black and that butterfly. Maybe some of these holographic strips. I think that would be really pretty. So you guys be sure to leave a comment and let me know which was your favorite product and what you're going to be ordering. Which, by the way, is another announcement that I wanted to make for you guys in this video. Katrin over at European Papercrafts has created a coupon code especially for you guys, and that will get you 10% off all the products that you order from her website. just enter the coupon code Craftie, spelled just like on my channel, CRAFTIE, and you'll get that discount on everything that you order. And I think that is really exciting because these are some beautiful products. And I just cannot wait. So, like I said, leave me a comment and let me know what you're going to be ordering and what you're going to be making with your European Papercrafts products. Whatever you guys do create with your European Papercrafts products, we'd love to see it over in our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. So if you haven't joined that group yet, be sure to go on over and join. The link to that will be in the description below also. And you can share your photos with us of anything that you create. And we have a lot of crafters over there already that are so talented, and you'll get a lot of inspiration from them too, I'm sure. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog as well. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.